Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can get pre-qualified with a soft inquiry pull for this JCPenney credit card. Now with this credit card, they has two versions. One is the store card, and they also have a MasterCard version where you can use anywhere. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bells so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. So if you want to get that package, you can get it from my website and you can download it. I also have negative item removal packages for purchase, and you can pick that up at my website. I will always leave that link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. I'm also starting back with my one-on-one coaching. So if you guys want to sign up, make sure you use the links in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section, because the last time it was scammers. So now YouTube have made some adjustments. If I'm actually replying back to you, you'll see I'm verified now with a check next to my picture and my name. And so you guys, this is in high demand. So if you want to sign up, the spots are filling up and they're very limited. Make sure you do that as soon as possible. So let's jump into this information. Now, this card can be a very good credit builder card because if you did not know, if your credit score is a 700 credit score, you can increase your credit by 50 points on average without removing any negative items, just by adding on an unsecured line of credit. Now, with this card is being underwritten by Synchrony Bank, and they're known to take lower credit scores. With JCPenney, they have a store card and they also have a MasterCard. So if you get approved for the MasterCard, you can use that card anywhere, even to rent a car or book a hotel room. But with Synchrony, their lowest credit score is a 600 credit score. Now with the MasterCard, you should have a 640 and up credit score, and you can use this as a credit builder card. So you can see if you can qualify for this card, and they will be pulling from TransUnion. So you can go here, and as you can see right now, they're offering an extra 35% off on certain purchases for you purchasing on this credit card, and they allow you to see if you pre-qualify. Now, pre-qualification is via through the soft pull. Basically, it's just showing you, do you fit in the category of the customer they're looking for? But it is not 100% guaranteed that you're going to get the card because you pre-qualify. It gives you a chance of about 80 to 90% of approval. So it actually is a good indication that you will be qualified, but it's not guaranteed. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, even if you are pre-qualified and get approved, it's still a hard inquiry. And so the great thing with this card, though, it is no annual fee. So if you're trying to build your credit, no annual fees is great, because a lot of credit builder cards or lower subprime credit cards have high annual fees that make you pay a monthly fee every month, and many people can miss that payment, and it is a late payment on their credit report. So with this card, it's no annual fee. And with Synchrony Bank, to get credit line increases, it is a soft pull. So it has been reports that people have gotten their credit line up to a $15,000 credit line with this credit card. Now, the APR for this credit card is 30.24%. Now, that is on the higher side for a credit card, but if you are building credit, you're not paying an annual fee, and some of those subprime credit cards still have a higher rate of 32%. So you can review that to see what is your best option. If you're a person that already have lower APR credit cards, this might not be for you. And if you have top tier credit, this is great for a credit builder card, because with JCPenney, you can find things to buy so you can make payments, and it's a usable card, especially if you get the MasterCard version. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can reach me at my website where all my questions go directly to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.